What's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to implement smooth scrolling in React. Now, this is just a demo app, so I'm going to show you how to scroll through these quite easily by just clicking a button. And I'll do it in a nice, smooth way that's elegant for mobile and web. So if I click page 2, it'll do it really smoothly. Page 3, smoothly as well. If I want to go back up, it'll do that as well. So this is really easy to implement, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a few lines of code. So right now it's the same app, but it has A tags instead of the link tag that we had earlier. So what we're gonna do is go into your terminal and install React-Scroll. Now this library is really lightweight and it has a lot of contributions on GitHub, so you can be sure it'll be stable. And right now you can just see on our current app, there's no smooth scrolling going on. So what we're going to do is replace these A tags with the new link component tags from React Scroll. So pull the link component tags from React Scroll. And then what we're going to do is replace them with these tags. And that's all you need to make React Smooth Scroll working. So look at that. Works perfectly. Now that we have React Smooth Scroll working, you can see we added a React Smooth Scroll using the smooth prop and it works perfectly now. You can add even more props that customize it even further. So go over to React Scroll npm, and you can see it has different props such as active class 2, which we're already using, all these other ones, spy, hash spy, smooth, the one we're already using as well, offset, this one adds additional padding, negative or even positive, duration, how long it should take, delay, how delayed it can be in milliseconds, all these different props, and it tells you how to use them. That's all you need to do to make React Scroll work, and it's as easy as that. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos, subscribe, like, and comment what you want to see on the next video. Peace.